What I love about this gym is it's so different from your typical studio with average weights and your same class over and over. The variety of the coaching staff, of the classes that are offered, and most importantly, the equipment that's offered here pushes us in ways that we've never been able to imagine before. I think the trainers here are really focused around physical fitness and wellness. So not only are we working out and pushing ourselves to levels that I never thought that I could get to, we're also talking about the importance of diet and nutrition throughout the entire process. We get weekly or a couple times a week emails of recommendations of recipes. And I tried one the other day of this salad that was just amazing and super fun to make and easy and healthy. It's all inclusive, so it's meant for all shapes, sizes, ages. Our entire family comes here for different courses. We have sports performance training here that our family takes advantage of, as well as all of the group classes that push us really, really hard.